Hi. So today I'm going to show you how to get Claude Opus 5, GPT 5.6, Claude Fable 5, Kimi K3, Gemini 3.6 Flash for free. So the platform I'm going to show you having many models, and you can use them without wasting any time. Let's get started. This is China API, and yes, it obviously from Chinese. It give you free $2 credits to test top-tier models. Let me show you the models it have. Right now, you can't see the top-tier models like GPT, Claude, and some others, because you need to sign up first, but it have Kimi K3 shown. Let me show you how to get started. First, open browser that you prefer, then type this link, or just click from comment. Once you there, sign up with Google or username. I'm rather sign up with Google for real purchase. So once you there, you receive $2 for free. Now let's check AI models does Claude and GPT shown. As you can see, the GPT and Claude has shown. Let me show you how to set it up using curl. First, get your API key. Click at the API key tab. Either you copy the generated key or create a new key. I'm going to copy generated key. So right now I already set up. Now choose your base URL. It support both Anthropic and OpenAI compatible. I'm going to use OpenAI compatible instead. Let's choose a model. For this demonstration, I'm going to choose GPT 5.6 Luna instead and send request. Hi. It responded with, "Hi, how can I help you today?" That's it guys, thanks for watching, and the link is in comment.